how to enable or disable suggest offensive words in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Then tap on Gboard Settings. So in Gboard Settings, tap on Corrections and Suggestions. Now scroll down to the Suggestions section and tap on Don't Suggest Offensive Words. Tap on the toggle button here to turn off or switch on this feature. If this is turned on, then your phone or your keyboard will not suggest offensive words. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.